Wow, so I did this in under 10 minutes? Wow, it looked like I just spent at least a good hour. How is this possible? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to look glamorous in under 10 minutes. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I don't care what anyone says, you do not need foundation in order to look glamorous. A trick is using your skin, but then going in with concealer. If you want that glowy skin, but with no foundation, you're just gonna go in with your favorite serum or oil, put some on. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go in with your favorite concealer and just put it under your eyes where the baggage is. Up here so that your eyes look like it blend. Now you want to have a concealer that is your skin color, and then like any problem areas that you have. Now you're just going to go in with a flat brush like this and then just blend it all together and bring it down so that it can blend with your skin. Okay, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go in with a flat brush like this and just blend the concealer with your skin. Okay, now we're gonna go in with just a little bit of blush, or you can take, if you have any left over, and just put it where your blush goes. Put some on your nose so you look alive. Now we're gonna go in with some setting powder, just a little. Just dab that everywhere, just so it seeps into your skin. Okay, so now we're gonna add some highlight just to give that dewy skin like an extra oomph. So I'm gonna go in with the Stila highlighter in Brilliance. Just put some and just put it on top of the cheekbones. This is just to add. And then your lips. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you are going to go in with a brow pen. So I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Just comb through your brows. And then you're just gonna lightly stroke to fill your hairs in. Okay, so a trick to look absolutely fabulous is you need lashes, but you know, you don't got time to sit there with the glue, so we're gonna go in with a magnetic lash. This one I actually just did a review on. This is like the best thing. It saves on so much time. So literally, you're just gonna go in with the magnetic eyeliner. Just put whatever eyeliner shape you want, if you want a wing or just normal eyeliner. And then go. So now we're just gonna let that dry because it has to be 80% dry in order to work. And while we are waiting for that to dry, we're just gonna do our bottom lashes. So now we're gonna go in with our magnetic lashes and we're just going to just pop them on. Okay, now do the other eye. Okay, and then instead of lipstick, we're just gonna go in with a lip gloss. This is the Fenty one. Just put it on. So here we go. This is how to look glamorous in under 10 minutes. These are some helpful tips that I kind of like put together on my own, and they literally saved me so much time. You know, like I'm a mom, so I never really have time to get ready but doing these steps, I can literally do it so fast. I can do it under 5 minutes. But yeah, I can still kind of feel like myself, and that's like very important. You know, you have to love yourself. But yeah, so this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell notification right next to it so you do not miss out on anything I post. And yeah, that's all. Have a blessed day. Thanks for watching.